All right, we're back on the UALR final exam review for college algebra. Problem number 8. We're going to find the average rate of change for the function from x1 to x2, where the function's -3 x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. When we're going to use x values, x1 is 2 and x2 is 8. So recall that the average rate of change value of between 2 points on the graph, this is going to give us the two y values. So y is f of x2 minus f of x1 over x2 minus x1. That's how we find the average rate of change. So we need to find f of x2, which is going to be f of 8. And that's going to be minus 3 times 8 cubed plus 2 times 8 squared. Whoops. Plus 8. 8 cubed. 8 times 64, 480 plus 32, 512. And -3 times 512 is going to be negative 1,536. 2 times 64 is 128. And plus 8. So that's going to be 136. Negative 1536 plus 136 is going to be negative 1400. And then let's find f of 2. A little easier numbers to deal with here. -3 times 2 cubed plus 2 times 2 squared plus 2. That's going to be -3 times 8. That's negative 24. Plus 8 plus 2. So that's going to be negative 14. So we're going to do f of x2 minus f of x1. So that's going to be negative 1400 minus negative 14 divided by x2 minus x1, which is going to be 8 minus 2. Negative 1400 plus 14 is going to be negative 1386 divided by 6. If we simplify that, that's going to be negative 331, if I'm not mistaken. I'll verify that.
231.
231? Sorry.
You were close.
It's pretty close. Negative 231 should be the average rate of change. But when we do these kind of problems, we need to find f of x2 and f of x1, and then the average rate of change is just the slope of the line between those 2 points. So negative 231 is our answer here.